ሰላም ሰላም የአገሬ ልጆች እንዴት ናችሁ? ሁላችሁም ደህና ናችሁ? ጭብጨባ ጭብጨባ ጭብጨባ። ሁላችሁም ስለመጣችሁ እዚህ ስለተገኛችሁ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል። ባህላችን ሀገራችን እያስተዋወቅን ያለ ነው በዓለም ደረጃ ማለት ነው። ዲለን ፔጅን እዚህ ኢንቫይት አድርገን በጣም ውስጤ በጣም ደስታ እየተሰማኝ ነው። ያው ላለቅስ እየተናነቀኝ ነበር እንባ እንግዲህ ለማቆም እየሞከርኩ ነበረ ቢካዝ ቶቶት ከጠበቅኩት በላይ አዘጋጅታችሁ ነው የጠበቃችሁት። ሰርፕራይዝ አድርጋችሁናል። ኢቭን ዲላንም ለራሱ ማመን አልቻለም እና Dylan, I would like to say welcome to Ethiopia. This is what it is, man. This is the family that you're seeing here. We love each other and we're even learning to love and accept each other even more. We are human beings. We have some flaws, as everyone does, but we choose to hug each other. We choose to give gursha to each other, and we choose to care for each other. And I think it's going to change the world. Ethiopia is not just a country, but also a country that shifts the frequency of the world. As you may know, a lot of people are struggling, but because of the love that we created inside this room right here, a lot of people are healing in their heart. And I just want to say thank you so much. I wish you're feeling love. I wish you're feeling acceptance because we love you and we accept you. As I told you when we were in London, we don't listen to your words, we listen to your energy. And you have a pure heart and a pure energy, and I resonate with you. Ethiopian people resonate with you. That's why everybody's gathered to show love. So I just want to say we love you so much. Maddie, you're also such an amazing person, such a supportive girlfriend to Dylan, and we love you so much. Thank you for coming to Ethiopia.